In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see character count in Apple Notes. This process is straightforward, and I will guide you through each step. Apple Notes does not have a built-in character count feature on iPhone, iPad, or Mac. This can be a little frustrating, especially if you often need to keep track of character limits for messages or documents. However, there are effective methods to achieve your goal, so let's dive in. First, open the note that contains the text you want to count. This is important because you need to select the exact text you wish to analyze. Once your note is open, take a moment to review the contents. You will see your text displayed clearly on the screen. Make sure to scroll through and locate the specific part of the text you need to count. This step sets the foundation for the next actions, ensuring you are working with the correct information. Next, select the text you want to count. To do this, tap and hold on the text until you see a selection tool appear. You can then drag the selection handles to highlight the entire section of text. This action is crucial because it allows you to copy only the text you need. Highlighting it ensures that you are precise, which saves you time later when you are counting characters. After you have selected the text, you will see options pop up. Now copy the selected text. To do this, tap on the copy option that appears in the menu. This action saves your selected text to your device's clipboard. It is important to know that copying is a temporary action, and you can paste the text elsewhere as needed. You will see a brief confirmation that the text has been copied successfully. This step is essential because it allows you to transfer your text to an application that can count the characters for you. After that, open a word processor or an online character counter. If you are using a word processor like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, you can easily paste your text there. Alternatively, if you prefer an online tool, just search for Character Counter in your web browser. This flexibility allows you to choose the method that works best for you, whether you prefer a desktop application or an online resource. It's a simple way to get the character count you need without hassle. Next, paste your copied text into the chosen application. To do this, tap and hold in the text area until you see the Paste option. Selecting this will insert your text into the application. This action is vital because it transfers your text into a format that can display the character count. Once you paste it, you might notice that the text appears exactly as it was in Apple Notes, preserving your formatting and content. Finally, view the character count in the application. Most word processors and online tools will display this information immediately, often at the bottom or in a dedicated section. This is the moment you've been working towards. Knowing the character count is important, especially if you have specific limits to meet. With this information at hand, you can confidently adjust your text as needed. In conclusion, while Apple Notes does not provide a built-in character count feature, these steps allow you to efficiently obtain the information you need. By copying your text and using a word processor or an online counter, you can easily see the character count. Thank you for following along with this guide, and I hope you find it helpful for your future notes.